Nation, that morning cup of coffee or afternoon tea might brighten our day. But did you know that they also darken our smiles? Nako, beverages like coffee, tea, wine, and other indulgences, lalong-lalo na yung mga yosing yan, all stain your teeth, leaving them yellow and not so pretty. But never fear, the dynamic duo from G Dental Group is here to talk to us about how we can bring our white smiles back from layers of plaque and stains. Dr. Raemund Galang and Dr. Camille Corvera-Galang, welcome back to the show.
Hi, Michelle.
Hi, guys.
Back, yeah.
So today we are talking about smiles. Actually, more specifically about teeth whitening.
Teeth whitening.
Ano ba itong teeth whitening na to, and how does it work?
Well, simply put, teeth whitening is to reverse the effects of outside stains and internal stains. Outside stains from coffee, tea, cigarette smoking. Inside stains can be side effects of medications, trauma, or inherent defects of the teeth.
Okay. So, and then what's the active ingredient na nagpapaputi ng
Right. It's usually some form of peroxide, so either carbamide peroxide or hydrogen peroxide, and it kind of, simply put, lifts all the stains out or makes it invisible for us to see. So talagang mag-whiten yung teeth natin.
Para talagang nagde-deep clean ang teeth
exactly.
natin. Okay. So, what kind of whitening products are available to us? At least dito sa US.
Yeah, well, there's a few ways you can whiten your teeth. Meron yung over-the-counter, which is what we have over here.
Okay.
And then there's professional kind, where when you go to your dental office, no?
Parang mas trip ka to, mukhang mas official.
Yeah, I know.
Mas high-tech.
Mukhang high-tech. Anyway, so I went to the local convenience store today.
Okay.
And these are probably one of the most effective ways you can do it, yung strips, okay?
Okay.
Basically what it is inside, meron siyang parang like a band-aid for your teeth. Diba?
You just
Okay.
place
So
it
after you
around your
brush
teeth.
and floss, just peel this off and stick it in your teeth.
Tapos it stays there lang or
Stays
pwede
there
mong
for about
tanggalin?
half an hour and then you take it out again.
Okay.
So you do this, I think, for about 10 days for this product. And then also, while you're doing that, maybe use like a whitening rinse as well.
Okay. And then what do you do naman dito sa over the counter?
No, these
This
are
is the
in office.
In office.
That's
professional.
sorry. Yeah, that's over the counter. This is professional. So it needs a
Yes.
dentist to help you do it.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay.
So only basically, and only a dentist can really whiten your, make your teeth their whitest. You know?
see.
These work, but if you want something a little bit stronger, then these other products.
Tsaka
also help.
garantisadong pearly white talaga.
Yes, it's just like saying, over-the-counter pain medication versus a prescription Vicodin, for
Right.
example. So here we can
Yes.
go very high with the concentration. So we can go from, for example, a dark shade of a tooth from here,
Yeah.
and then maybe go up to this part, or even up to this part, which is the lightest.
Wow. So you can go all the way from one end of the spectrum to the other with professional
Yes,
whitening.
it's safe to say we can go up to 7 to 8 shades lighter with professional teeth whitening.
Okay. So
Yeah.
ano namang ginagawa natin dito for the what is involved kung magpapa-whiten ka professionally?
Okay. So there are two ways you can do it professionally. Pwedeng yung we can manufacture trays for you. Okay. These are custom trays.
And are these molds of anyone's teeth?
These are mine.
Yes,
Cute naman pala ng ngipin mo.
Really cute yan. Okay. And then inside these trays, you inject, some of these gels inside.
Very easily.
So this is a whitening gel, tapos pumapasok siya
Correct,
dito.
correct.
Click.
Correct.
And then you put it in there and you wear it for about an hour and a half, for a few days, pwedeng for a whole week or even every other day kung sensitive yung ngipin mo. And then you go whiten your teeth.
Okay.
Correct.
And then what's
Now,
the other way?
Siyempre, iba, they're not too patient. O kaya iba, biglang they're gonna get married or iba dyan,
Nangyari na
mamaya
yun sa
pupunta
akin.
ng Vegas at they don't have the time.
They don't have the leisure, the time, na 5 days to wait
Yes.
for their teeth to become white.
So for the instant results,
yes, we
We can
have.
do the Zoom.
itong si Zoom. Okay.
So
And-
2 hours from start to end, they have instant white teeth.
Okay. Actually, mga docs, I have tried Zoom.
Okay.
And totoo siyang Zoom.
Very good.
Talagang pumuputi
Diba?
talaga. Kaya lang, medyo bad trip kasi my teeth became so sensitive. So I have to
Yes.
ask you, between these,
Yes.
what are the possible side effects? And I know that they're temporary. And in
Yes.
fairness, maganda yung ngiti ko
There you
ngayon.
go. Diba?
Pero, but what are the side effects para malaman naman ng kanation natin?
Well, of course, you mentioned a while ago sensitivity. You can get a little bit of sensitivity, but it's only temporary. Normally, it will go away after about 2 or 3 days. Okay. If it lasts longer than that, definitely call your dentist.
Right.
No?
And I will say, from my point of view, parang, you know, pain is temporary and beauty is forever. So, sulit naman siya.
Another
Okay.
one is temporary sensitivity rin of the gums.
Of the gums?
Yeah, so it can feel a little like a burning sensation.
Okay.
So that's why it's best if it's supervised by a doctor, by your dentist, because mamaya there's another reason why it's burning, or maybe you're not doing it right. Or,
Right. And I've heard that teeth whitening can also be corrosive. Totoo ba yan? Na parang numinipis yung ngipin mo?
Well, teeth whitening is actually fairly safe. Unless you do it all the time, you know. Kung parati lang every month nag-whiten ka ng teeth mo, definitely, it's going to harm your teeth.
So there is such a thing as too much.
Yes, you don't want to go overboard with it
Yes.
naman. And then, a lot of it is subjective, you know. Some people, they want it very, very white. Some of it naman, masaya na sila sa konting white. So, it all depends on you, how white you want.
Malabo
white
naman
your
yung
teeth.
medyo nakakasila, mamumukha kang
Yeah.
Bob Barker,
Yeah.
di
It
ba?
has to go well with your face. Though.
And your
And-
complexion too,
Yeah.
diba?
And your skin tone, Carnation,
Yes.
importante yan, ha? And so, let's talk about maintenance naman. Once we get them white, how do they stay white?
Yeah, you're correct. Whitening is all about maintenance, and you can use yung mga whitening toothpaste
Okay.
like this one, whitening rinses as well. Okay, at the same time,
So
always
you
make
can
sure-
use these guys together pala.
definitely.
Okay.
Definitely, and then avoid, like before, as I said, coffee, tea, red wine, all those things. That will really
Getting your teeth cleaned regularly in a dental office will definitely help. Kasi yung extrinsic and outer stains, now we can take it out while we're doing your
Na-maintain
teeth
na
cleaning,
kaagad.
right?
I
Before the
see.
tooth starts to absorb all that stain.
Okay. Well, I think that you guys have something very important and exciting to share with our mga kapamilya. So I will let you guys make
Yes.
the little offer.
Right. For all of our viewers, we're actually inviting the first 10 viewers to call our office. We're actually giving a 50% discount on all the whitening procedures. So just don't forget to mention Adobo Nation, and then you'll be able to avail of that.
Hindi ako counted sa first 10, di ba? Kasi hindi naman ako viewer host ako.
Hindi.
Kasi mag-a-avail talaga ako ng ganyan. Mga Ka-Nation, thank you very much
Thank
for
you,
joining
Michelle.
us.
Thank you so
And
much.
I hope that you guys take very full advantage of this generous offer from the G Dental Group. And there's more Adobo Nation coming up, so stay right here and keep those pearly whites white.